right, number 6, we're going to use symmetry to evaluate this function. So absolute value is a V shape, but being that it's negative, it's going to get flipped upside down. It's still symmetric about the y-axis, so this is an even function. So we are doing the integral from -2 to 2 of 17 minus absolute value of x raised to the 3rd power dx. So usually haven't seen an absolute value, but it should still work out being even because we're making everything positive. This 3rd power though, I want to say that makes it odd, but let's double check. Let's see what the graph looks like. But I know absolute value is normally even. I still want to say even, but let's verify. So let's do 17 minus math absolute value of x raised to the 3rd. Let's see what this graph looks like. Zoom, let's just say zoom out. Yeah, so it just looks like it opens up a parabola, still even, symmetric about the y-axis. So that's what I was thinking, but I want to be sure. So we're still thinking even. It just almost turns it into like a parabola shape. It would be x cubed, this x cube shape, but it would make this part positive. And so, but since it's negative, it just gets flipped upside down. So that's what we're looking at. All right. Using symmetry, we would do 2 times the integral from 0 to 2 of 17 minus absolute value of x to the 3rd dx. So doing integral, we're going to add a variable, divide by 1. So this would give us 17x. And then add a power, so it'll be a 4. Divide by that 4. Evaluate it from 0 to 2. All right, plugging in 2. 17 times 2 minus 2 to the 4th divided by 4. And then we would subtract, and then when we plug in 0, both of these will 0 out. So this is basically what we would end up with. So 17 times 2 will give us 34. Still got my times 2 out here. 34. 2 to the 4th, 2, 2, 4, 8, 16. 16 over 4, which will just give us 4. So 34 minus 4 is 30. And then 2 times 30 gives us 60. Sorry, it kind of runs off.